What's going on YouTube? Wanye Films back with another tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to properly set up your Sony a6300 to your iPhone using its in-camera Wi-Fi. We all know vlogging can be a pain from time to time, being that the LCD screen can no longer flip up or flip out on the Sony a6300. But today I'm going to make life a little bit easier for all of us. Let's get started. Alright guys, first what you're going to want to do is go over to your app store and download Play Memories Mobile. What that's going to do is going to allow you to connect your Sony a6300 to your phone. Right now it says that the camera is not connected to my phone, but we'll get to that. Then what you're going to want to do is go to the Wi-Fi settings and go to access point set or WPS push, whatever you prefer. When you go ahead and do that, it's going to scan for the Wi-Fi. Then you pick one, put your password in, and the Wi-Fi is set up. Go over to applications list, click it, go over to smart remote embedded, click that. Then using your phone, you're going to want to go to scan QR code of the camera in the Play Memories Mobile. Then you go ahead and scan the box on the camera. After pressing OK, it's going to allow you to install the following screen. I'm not going to press OK because I've already done it. Then go into your settings. You're going to want to go to Wi-Fi and click your camera. As you can see, the camera's connecting right now. Then you go into Play Memories. There it is, guys. There you have it. If you want to flip it around, you can also adjust everything in camera. If you wanted to, the aperture, go darker, shutter speed, and the ISO. All in camera. So what this does is allow you to view yourself when the screen here doesn't flip out or around, as we all know the Sony a6300 likes to do. Alright guys, that is how you properly set up your Sony a6300 using your iPhone. If you have any questions, make sure you leave them down in the comment below. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. If you liked the video, go ahead and give me a like, and I'll catch you in the next vlog. Peace out, guys.